Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my hearty bean and legume soup with ham. This is a fantastic dish for a cold winter's day. Right, let's get on with it. Well, we're going to need a brown onion or two, and I'm going to show you how I, with multiple sclerosis, dices an onion up really nice and fine. First thing I'm going to do, top tail the onion, of course. I'm going to remove the skin, just like that. Right, so as I said, I'm doing a couple of onions here. Right, so just remove that outer shell. We don't really want that. I'm going to slice it into quarters just like this. There's a reason for this, because I've actually broken my little special ingredient machine before. It's my little chopper mechanism, and if you have an older onion or too big a slice of onion, you can break these things, believe me. They don't cost a lot of money from your local supplier, about $20 or so. Here I've got a couple of cups worth of dried cannellini beans. I have soaked those overnight just in some water. Right, now I'm going to be using my slow cooker or crock pot today, because I've got all day to make this soup, right? And nothing is better. So in the morning I'm going to put the onions in, put in a nice big fat ham hock that's going straight in just like that, and I'm going to add in around about 4 litres worth, I suppose, thereabouts, of chicken stock. I'm really just going to load that up. Now if you want to go back to season 24, I'll show you how to make the best natural chicken stock ever, or you can use store-bought. I'll leave that up to you. Right, we're just going to add that straight in just like that. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm just going to put that onto low, and in the meantime I'm going to go off and cut some more veggies for this beautiful hearty soup. Alright, so we've got a little bit of steamage happening there. We've just got a little bit of heat happening in that stock, and here I've got 2 carrots finely diced. I've also used my little chopping gadget to make a nice fine dice with that carrot. I just spread those around just like that, and as I said, this is an all-day soup, so we just take our time, add things as we need to. About another hour and a half in thereabouts, I'm going to add in my beans. They can go in and start to cook and soften up, and the reason we soak those beans is to rehydrate them. They are a dried bean. If you want to use the canned, you can. I actually had some leftover cabbage, and finally shredded that. I'm going to add that as well. And why do I have leftover shredded cabbage? That's another recipe for another time. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in just like that, and that's going to give us a nice bit of a bulk to the actual dish itself. A little bit of salt. Okay, and just be careful with your salt factor, because that ham hock is going to be salty naturally enough. Alright, so here I've got some mixed dried vegetable or soup vegetable mix. You just buy this from your local supermarket. It's got lentils, it's got split peas, it's got cracked wheat, it's got all sorts of real good, beautiful little legumes, and it helps bulk this soup out nicely. Give that a little bit of a stir, give it a bit of a taste, tell me what you think, and I'm really just checking to see how the beans are going, and sometimes those beans need to be cooked off for quite a while. So I've cooked that off now for around about 5 hours just on low. I'm going to take out that ham hock, and we're just going to let things keep cooking down nice and naturally. Once that ham starts to cool off a bit, I'm going to strip all the meat off. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate, right, just like that. Put that in, and it's going to give it a very light tomato flavour. If I was doing a minestrone, I'd probably put 2 of those in, but we're not doing a minestrone, we're doing a hearty bean and legume soup with ham. Give all that a bit of a stir, just like that, and it's also going to add a little bit of sweetness to our soup. So I've cooked those off again for around about another hour or so, and now I'm going to add in all the ham that I've stripped off that ham bone. That can all go straight in, just like that, and I'm going to cook that off for around about another hour and a half or so, just until everything's nice and tender, especially those beans and the carrots. Season that up with a little bit of black pepper to taste, as much or little as you like, and just check if the salt factor is up to your standard or not. And before you know it, that soup is going to be done. Serve that up with some bits of toasty bread, just like that, and you've got KP's hearty bean and bean and legume soup with ham. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is pretty easy and it is really affordable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something that doesn't cost a lot of bucks but will feed you for a good couple of days easily, just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my hearty bean and legume soup with ham, and I will catch you next time. Bye.